Unlock your career potential with StaffDirect. This guide provides essential tips for securing a job through a temp agency. Learn how to navigate the application process, ace the interview, and excel in your temporary assignment. Connecting talent. Temp agencies bridge the gap between companies needing short-term staff and job seekers. They offer flexible employment solutions. Variety of roles. Agencies provide opportunities across diverse industries. This includes office administration, customer service, and light industrial. Flexibility. Enjoy adaptable work schedules and assignments. Experience. Gain exposure to different industries and roles. Build your resume quickly. Networking. Expand your professional contacts. Permanent opportunities. Many temp roles lead to full-time employment. Personalized service. StaffDirect provides customized job matching services. Industry expertise. Deep understanding of various sectors and their staffing needs. Career support. Resources and guidance to help you achieve your career goals. Contact information. Ensure your details are current and accurate. Summary statement. Highlight your key skills and career objectives. Keep it concise. Work experience. List your previous jobs. Focus on relevant accomplishments. Education. Include degrees, certifications, and relevant coursework. Identify key skills. Determine skills that match job requirements. Review job descriptions carefully. Quantify achievements. Use numbers and data to demonstrate your impact. Show concrete results. Use action verbs. Start bullet points with strong action verbs. Examples: managed, developed, implemented. Tailor your resume. Customize your resume for each specific job application. Highlight most relevant skills. Address the hiring manager. If possible, find the name of the hiring manager. Use a professional greeting. Express enthusiasm. Show your interest in the specific role and company. Highlight your motivation. Highlight relevant skills. Connect your skills and experiences to the job requirements. Provide examples. Online application. Complete the online registration form. Provide accurate details. Document submission. Upload required documents. These may include your resume and references. Interview. Attend an interview with a StaffDirect recruiter. Discuss your skills and preferences. Double-check information. Carefully verify all entered information for accuracy. Take extra time to confirm dates, numbers, and personal details are correct. Provide complete details. Ensure all required fields are filled out completely. Have necessary documents and information ready before starting. Review before submitting. Take a final comprehensive review of all entries before clicking submit. This last check helps prevent errors and omissions. Resume. Up-to-date resume highlighting relevant skills and experience. References. Contact information for professional references. Notify references beforehand. Identification. Valid government-issued identification. Ensure it's current. Prepare. Research the company and role thoroughly before the interview. Review common questions and practice your responses. Be professional. Maintain a professional demeanor through dress, body language, and communication style. Ask questions. Demonstrate interest by asking informed questions about the role and company. Follow up. Send a thank you note and maintain professional communication after the interview. Tell me about yourself. Focus on relevant skills and experiences. Keep it concise. Why are you interested in this role? Express genuine enthusiasm and highlight your motivations. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Be honest and provide specific examples. Show self-awareness. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Demonstrate ambition and alignment with career goals. Mention your aspirations. Business formal. Suit, dress shirt, tie, dress shoes. Conservative and polished. Business casual. Dress pants, button-down shirt, blazer, loafers. Neat and professional. Provide specific examples. Share detailed stories. Show the impact of your actions. Use the STAR method. Situation, task, action, result. Structure your responses logically. Highlight achievements. Emphasize accomplishments and quantifiable results. Quantify your achievements. Office administration. Light industrial. Customer service. Healthcare support. Data entry specialist. Focuses on accurate and efficient data management, maintaining detailed digital records and databases with precision and attention to detail. Receptionist. Manages front desk operations, professionally greeting visitors and handling phone communications while maintaining a welcoming office environment. Administrative assistant. Provides comprehensive support to office staff, coordinating various administrative tasks, and ensuring smooth office operations. Warehouse worker. Loading, unloading, and organizing inventory. Assembly line worker. Assembling products and components efficiently. Forklift operator. Operating forklifts to move materials safely. Certification required. Communication. Effective verbal and written communication skills. Problem solving. Ability to resolve customer issues quickly. Empathy. Understanding and responding to customer needs. Medical assistant. Entry-level clinical support role providing direct patient care and administrative assistance in healthcare settings. Caregiver. Provides essential personal care and support services to patients in their homes or care facilities. Receptionist. Manages front desk operations in medical facilities, handling patient check-in and administrative tasks. Be punctual. Arrive on time. Show commitment. Be proactive. Take initiative. Seek out opportunities. Arrive early. Allow time to settle in. Be prepared for the day. Introduce yourself. Engage with colleagues. Be friendly and approachable. Ask questions. Clarify expectations. Show interest in the role. Be clear. Convey information. Use direct language. Be respectful. Treat colleagues with courtesy. Listen actively. Pay attention. Show understanding. Prioritize tasks. Focus on urgent and important tasks. Use a to-do list. Minimize distractions. Create a productive workspace. Reduce interruptions. Take breaks. Rest and recharge. Improve focus and energy. Exceed expectations. Consistently deliver high-quality work and go above and beyond your assigned duties. Show initiative. Take on additional responsibilities and propose innovative solutions. Network. Build strong relationships with permanent staff and management. Seek out new challenges. Look for opportunities to expand your skills. Offer solutions. Address problems. Propose resolutions. Go the extra mile. Exceed expectations. Show dedication. Be professional. Maintain a respectful attitude and professional demeanor in all interactions with hiring managers. Communicate effectively. Provide clear updates on your progress and maintain open lines of communication with management. Wait for the right moment. Choose a time. After successful project. Express your interest. Clearly state your desire for long-term employment. Highlight your contributions. Showcase your accomplishments. Quantify your impact. Online job board. Training programs. Career counseling. Online courses. Access comprehensive digital learning platforms with self-paced modules and interactive content. Workshops. Participate in hands-on learning sessions with industry experts and peer collaboration. Seminars. Attend focused presentations and discussions led by industry leaders. Resume review. Enhance your resume with expert feedback. Interview preparation. Practice answering common interview questions. Career planning. Set goals with customized guidance. Open forum. Interactive sessions where participants can freely ask questions and share their experiences in a collaborative environment. Expert advice. Receive detailed, professional guidance from industry specialists who provide clear and informative answers to your questions.